In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forecasting in Hubspot CRM, an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their business planning and predict future sales with confidence. Forecasting can give you insights into your sales pipeline by helping you anticipate future revenue, thereby allowing you to make informed, proactive business decisions. Whether you're a seasoned sales manager or just getting started with HubSpot CRM, this guide will walk you through setting up and utilizing the forecasting feature efficiently. First off, let's start by heading to the official HubSpot website. Open up your preferred browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you've reached the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on Log In. If you haven't logged in already, you'll need to enter your credentials here. This step will grant you access to your HubSpot account, so make sure you're logged into the correct one, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This dashboard is the central hub where all the magic happens, and from here will guide you to the forecasting feature. Look towards the top navigation menu where you'll see various options. Click on Reporting. The reporting section is where HubSpot stores a multitude of tools that allow you to analyze your sales data and performance metrics. It's an invaluable resource, especially for sales managers and analysts. Inside the reporting section, you'll then find the forecast option. Clicking on Forecast will direct you to the forecasting tool within HubSpot, where you can not only view existing forecasts but also tailor them to suit your business needs. Forecasting helps provide a visual representation of your sales team's performance and upcoming sales targets, giving you a clear picture of where the business stands. Next, you're going to want to set specific targets to track. Locate and click on Create Goal, a feature that allows you to define the sales goals your team aims to achieve. Creating goals is a crucial step as it sets the parameters for your forecast. Input the necessary information and carefully select the timeline and the relevant pipelines. This helps ensure your forecast is as accurate as possible, adhering to the specifics of your sales strategies. Now that you've set up your goals, the forecasting tool will process the data to predict upcoming sales figures. It's worth mentioning that regularly revisiting and adjusting your forecast based on real-time data is highly recommended. This process not only sharpens your team's focus on achieving targets, but also enhances long-term strategic planning. And that's it, you've successfully navigated through the basics of using forecasting in HubSpot CRM. With these steps, you're now equipped to make more data-driven decisions that will hopefully lead to increased sales and improved overall business performance. Don't forget to check back regularly to keep your forecast up to date with the latest insights. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to head back for more useful guides on maximizing your HubSpot CRM experience.